Riobamba, South America. Check it out, everyone. Famous Cathedral Basilica. That's Riobamba, knee-deep South America. About 5 hours, 5-6 hours from Cuenca and Guayaquil. Well, it took about a 5-6 hour bus from Guayaquil to Cuenca. Stayed in Cuenca a while, and then Cuenca, stayed about 5 days in Cuenca, and now we are in Riobamba. Very beautiful. We got a highlight coming up in about 1 minute. I'm going to show you the famous volcano, Volcán. They call it the Volcano of Volcán, Riobamba. Check out this park, it's very beautiful. That's a old basilica, super old. And this is Riobamba. So beautiful. Lewis here from Washington, D.C. Check out the volcano. Check out this beautiful park. Beautiful sunny day. Riobamba can be a little rough around the edges, like many South American countries. There's the famous Mercado, which is closed now. They used to have great food there. Yeah, I've noticed in South America you've got a lot more instability, chaos, economic, financial crisis. One of the elect presidents just got shot yesterday. Homicide, they shot him. There's like 5 or 6 elect presidents. And there it is. There's the volcano here. The famous volcano of Riobamba. You can see the snow-capped mountains. So beautiful. That's the park. Hope you're enjoying. Again, the volcano. And this is Lewis here. South America, knee-deep in South America. Riobamba. Lewis here, Washington, D.C. This is just a beautiful park. Literally all the beautiful Andes Mountains. It is amazing here. Beautiful city. A lot of culture, a lot of history. The food is spectacular. Check this out. We're going to go right back to the basilica here. The volcano right behind me. I don't see many foreigners here. Those are the first foreigners I've seen. Not too many foreigners in Riobamba. Just a few. But everyone who comes here loves it. I've met quite a few people in Cuenca. I've been here before to Riobamba, so this is nothing new. And we're gonna wrap it up here with the famous basilica. Hope everyone enjoyed. I'm out, Lewis, Washington, D.C. Here's the famous Simon Bolivar Monument. Enjoy. Looks like we got some sort of a court down there. People dancing. We are in Inca territory. Inca culture. Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia. Heavy Inca culture. Indigenous people. Very beautiful. You'd be surprised what you can learn from these people. I tell you, they eat very healthy. And I've heard many of them live over 100 years of age. So they're doing something right, and I have a feeling the Western culture is doing something wrong. You can always learn from these indigenous. All right, we're gonna wrap it up here. Wrap it up in the volcano, which you already saw. But it's so beautiful. I want you to see it again. Here's the famous Simon Bolivar. Beautiful day. Yeah, it was about a 6-hour bus trip from Cuenca to get here. I tell you, it was amazing. Some abismos, cliffs. Abismos are cliffs, and it was amazing going through all the mountains, the Andes, South America. I'm gonna wrap it up here, everyone, with the Volcano